If your hips feel tight when you squat, lunge, or even sit for too long, this is the exact routine I use to improve hip mobility and build strength in every direction. I'm Dr. Jordan, a chiropractor and a strength coach, and one of the biggest mistakes people make is stretching their hips without strengthening them. Real mobility means strength and control through a full range of motion. So let's get into the exercises that will help you build stronger and more mobile hips. First up, we have deep squat holds with a kettlebell. This is an excellent exercise to help explore the end range of hip flexion. As you sit into the bottom position, gently shift your weight from side to side, drive your knees out, and look for areas that feel restricted. I like to do about 5 to 8 reps of this movement pattern while sitting in that bottom position for 3 to 5 seconds on each rep. Next up, we have 90-90 hip switches. Now for true hip mobility improvements, we have to have some weight when doing exercises, but I always love doing this movement as just a general way to warm up the hips. This exercise helps to improve both internal and external rotation while teaching you to actively control those positions. Move from one position to the other slowly while maintaining control of your hips, and if you have it in you, do it without your hands. I like to do 8 to 12 reps of this movement going back and forth for about 2 to 3 sets. Next, we have Copenhagen planks. These help to strengthen the adductors, which are critical for hip stability and groin health. Support your top leg on a bench and hold your body in a side plank position. You should feel the muscles on the inside of your leg firing up. If you need a modification to make it a little bit easier, you can bend that top leg while it's on the bench and it can help with some stability. I like to hold the top position for about a 5 count while also doing about 5 reps of this movement pattern. And lastly, we have the weighted incline pigeon stretch. This targets the glutes and posterior hip capsule while helping improve external rotation. This one right here is one of my all-time favorite hip mobility movements. There isn't any movement that leaves me feeling better than this one right here. Aim for anywhere from 8 to 10 reps on this movement pattern. So if your hips have been feeling tight, focus less on random stretching and more on building strength and control in the positions you want to improve. Try this routine 2 to 3 times per week and you'll notice better squat depth, improved athletic performance, and healthier hips. For complete mobility and strength programs, check out my Chronos Fitness app, and as always, make sure to follow along for more strength-based rehab tips.